Oh, oh. Hello. Wait. Oh. Hi again. I'm back. Welcome. Yeah. To my channel.
During this season, the weather is colder than usual. The daytime is shorter than usual. And the nighttime is longer than usual. There can be a lot of snow. You can make lots of snowballs and snowmen in this season. What season is this? In this season, the flowers bloom on trees. The temperature is cozy. What season is this? It's the season when the leaves turn yellow, orange, and brown on trees, as they prepare to save humidity during the winter season that's coming next. During the end of the season, those leaves begin to fall off the trees. What season is this? It's the season when the weather is very hot, or extremely hot. The daytime is usually longer than the nighttime. You should wear thinner clothing in this season, and drink a lot of water to stay hydrated. What season is this? How many questions did you answer correctly? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next videos.